efficient as it can be. You're good to go. Sweet. See you later. Have a good one. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. I'm Molly from Bell Farms. Okay, so we are on our way over to the farm. It's just a little after 6, and Shane's still picking, and I think Dave is getting loaded up to do a delivery this morning. So I'm gonna get over there and see if I can catch him. Today is the day we're finally gonna show you guys some corn picking and packing, so stay tuned. So I've been driving my truck every day. I still need to put the floor in. I still need to put the seat covers in. Ethan's driving the silver truck, so if you happen to see it around town, that's him, not me. So, beautiful morning. I don't know, it's pretty chilly actually. I love it when it gets really cool at night and the air is crisp in the morning. Oh, I sleep so good that way. All right, guys, made it to the farm. So Shane is out picking, and I'll get to show you guys that a little bit more, but I'm gonna catch Dave while he's loading for his delivery. So he's got his truck over here backed up to the cooler. Hey, is this it? Very good. Cool, so 22 pallets are going on its way to its delivery. Dave getting his load block all situated. All right, cool. So this is what we have in the cooler right now. We have these RPCs started, and a little bit of corn, and some potatoes. So today we've got Good Shepherd Food Bank coming to pick up some potatoes and sweet corn. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get my stuff together for the morning and I'll bring you guys back in just a little bit. Boy, is this going to be fun with my drone. Oh, I'm so excited. You guys are gonna see so much corn picking footage. You'd probably be sick of it. No, I don't think that's even possible. Okay, I'm running around filming. I gotta go get some stuff ready for the day, and then I'll explain a little bit more about what we're doing today. Even better. That's great. Oh, cool. Awesome.
Are picking or no tomorrow?
We are.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want corn, just let us know. We're gonna pick. We're gonna pick at least a full truck tomorrow.
All right, good. We'll see how this. All of it went yesterday.
Oh,
so.
awesome. Yeah. All right, cool. Just let me know tonight when you have your plan together, and just stop at the front, pay her. She'll take care of that unless you already did.
Yeah.
You're good to go. Sweet.
Yeah.
See you later.
See
Have
ya.
a good one. Okay, now that I've got a second here. So, if you guys are new here, this is our corn packing system. We load our potato trucks with sweet corn from the big picker, and then we back them in here, and we have this corn line set up, and then we have pickers on the line, and then we have people who are tying and stacking the bags. So mostly pickers. We got 3 or 4 stackers running around. I'm kind of floating today. And then most importantly, we have somebody in the truck unloading. So Skylar's been doing that job for many years, and he knows the right way to handle the corn in there. But in order to keep this line as efficient as it can be, you have to have that nice, even, steady flow of corn going through. So that's what he's doing, and he sets the tone for the entire line. So that is a very, very important job. And we're gonna work on some local orders today, and then we're gonna switch over to those black crates, and we're gonna finish a trail load of those. So you guys will get to see a little bit of both. Now the way that these bags work is we put 60 ears in one bag, so it's a 5 dozen bag, and then they get tied and stacked on the pallet in a 5 block. Morning, Mark. Morning. So, at the beginning of the line, we usually have some fast packers up there. Then we have some of the newer people. And then as we work our way down to the very end of the line is where we usually have Shane, myself, and Ethan's back here. And their job is to make sure that nothing good goes by. So we catch all of the good ears and nothing goes into the dump trucks. All right, so everything that is going into this dump truck is stuff that is immature, it is bruised, it has damage by worms or mechanical damage. So that makes really good cow chow. this variety is Nirvana, and this one is our favorite one to pick and pack. So this corn doesn't have a very long shank on it, so it makes it really easy when you're grabbing off of the belt to just grab and put into your container versus having to crack all the shanks off. So we start the season with some Solstice, and then we move into Nirvana, and we plant mostly Nirvana. All right, so we got to do a little shuffling around, get the bag stuff out of here, and then get set up for the RPCs. Good time for that. Hello. Lucky me. So what we do is we take the green bags off, and then we have these wooden tables that me and Shane have built over the years, and we use those to put the RPCs, which stands for reusable plastic container, on those. And we pack into those, and we slide them to the end, and then one of the stackers will come pick it up and replace it with an empty one. Okay, first truck done, and we have a total of 3 full trucks today, and then I think a half a truck. And then we're gonna be doing some potatoes later too. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about these RPCs here. Okay, so we have a 48 count going into these, and you can see this tote, I think Connor's working on this one. So each picker will come up with their own system on how to keep count, but obviously count is very important. I will walk around and make sure I check the totes for quality and count as we're packing. At this point, we're pretty well into the season, so I have a lot more trust in everybody, so that's good. So you guys saw in that footage I showed you this morning, there's not a lot of corn left in this field over here. We have probably 1 truck left, and then we're moving down to the 100-acre field in Durham. So I am so excited to show you guys that field. We have, I think it's a total of 80 acres of sweet corn in that field, and it's all in tassel. It's beautiful. It's been, last year we had potatoes there, and the year before we had corn, and that was when I first started this YouTube channel. So I had very minimal footage of any of the corn stuff from there, but I really love the way it looks to see that giant field, well, giant for us, giant field full of corn. So the plan is to go over there and to get some drone footage of that field before we start picking, because I think Monday we're going to start picking over there. So today is Saturday. We're going to do a little bit tomorrow, finish up what's over here, move the picker over to Durham, and then just start picking over there. We got a busy week so far. We have a load going out pretty much every single day except for tomorrow, and that is okay with us. So everybody is moving these into the cooler. So we got 48 count in these, pack date today. And we got the second truck coming in. Good. Cool. All right, the potato trucks that you see mounted over with corn. This holds 2 big dumps from the Big Jack, which is Cornzilla, which is our Oxbow corn picker with the corn puller head on it. Cool, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 benches. Today's Saturday. Saturdays are kind of a toss-up. Sometimes we get some extra people, sometimes we lose a few people. So this morning, Mark was here for the first truck, and he took off, neighbor Mark. And yeah, so we're gonna see how today goes. I'm really excited to be filming. Again, I feel like it's been a little while. I know I apologized before, and I should stop apologizing, but this is still my job, and I feel like I owe it to you guys to tell you what's going on. Oh, somebody's here. You guys might know this somebody. I'm good, how are you? So this is Tim Mayberry from Surviving Maine on a 20-acre farm. Yeah. All right, so this is a good story. This is the man, the reason why I even have a YouTube channel. I never would have done it if it wasn't for him. He has his channel. He came over to the farm and he filmed a little bit during one of our vegetable meetings. And he's like, you should try this, him and his wife, Carol. So we can all thank Tim for the YouTube channel. So Tim and Carol have a stand over in Sebago. And they come and get corn every few days. And they've been doing this for many, many years. That was easy.
Easy.
Easy peasy. How are things going on your end?
All day going good.
Yeah.
Carol's happy.
Good. And busy, right?
I hope.
Yeah. You're here, right?
I hope.
Oh, good deal. Tim makes the trip here. It's about an hour, one way.
Next time.
Yes, we'll see you in a few days, hopefully.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks, Tim.
See you, Tim.
So now that we're on lunch, we took early lunch today. Everybody was hungry. So what we're going to do is, because we are moving down to that 100-acre field, we are going to take one truck. I'm going to drive the 86 down, and Shane's going to drive the potato truck down, and I'll pick him up at the field. It'll give me a chance to take a look at what it looks like. You're good. No, we're good. Very good. 23, if we can count today. All right, so the rest of the stuff that we're doing is going to be in bags, and we've got half a truck. So, yeah. And then after we're done bagging, we're going to clean everything up, and then we'll probably move some trucks around. Yeah. And that's packing corn. So this is like an average full day of us packing corn. We have been doing potatoes after corn most of the days this week. We are almost done bagging all of the rest of the potatoes we had from last season. We have one field where Dave already top killed some of the potatoes, and that was last week. So we'll probably start digging those new potatoes in about a week. So, very exciting. Good deal. All right, cool. All right, so we're gonna finish this up, and then I'll bring you guys back at the end of the day. All right, 20, 40, 60, 80, almost 100 there, plus whatever else we did. All right, so now we clean up and basically get set up for the next day. Oh yes, before I forget, we had our tour. That was, oh my gosh, I think it was on Tuesday. I don't even know what day it was. I don't even know what today is. Okay, so we did have our tour with the Alabama Farmer Federations, and that was super fun. I was so nervous. I thought I was gonna faint, but then once I actually started talking to people, then I was fine. But I have a couple pictures from that, so I'm gonna share those with you guys at the end here. And yeah, that was really fun. A couple of you guys that were on the tour watched the channel, so it was really nice to meet you guys. It's kind of funny, I totally get it. Like, I feel like I know you guys when I'm commenting and talking to you guys in the comments, and it's like just meeting a friend. So it's really cool to meet you guys. You guys saw those this morning. I wasn't recording that whole time. Not the first time that's happened. Anyways. Oh, all right. Load went good. Yeah. So, very successful Saturday. Everything's been great today. We're gonna be able to give the crew tomorrow off. We're gonna still pack and pick for our local orders. But yeah, feels good. Today's like the first day that, like, I feel like we're ahead of the game. All right, guys, I'll catch you later.